Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Textero AI and Neuro Writer. Textero Textero AI and Neuro Neural Writer WRITR. So Textero AI and Neuro Writer. Are you stuck between both of them for your content needs? Both promise AI powered writing, but which one actually delivers? Let's crack this. Now, when it comes to what they are best for, Textero AI is best for academic writing and research, while Neural Writer is best for marketing copy and blogs. When it comes to their AI strengths, Textero AI is best for citation generation, while Neural Writer for emotional tone adjustment. This is where their AI strength lies. When it comes to template, Textero AI has about 50 plus academic formats, while Neural Writer has about 30 plus business templates. When it comes to their unique trick, Textero has auto plagiarism check, while Neural Writer has persuasion score rating. When it comes to free plan, Textero does not have a free version, while Neural Writer has 3 free articles a week. When it comes to price, Textero costs about $15 a month, while Neural Writer costs about $20 a month. And when it comes to speed, Textero has faster research, while Neural Writer has better creativity. So who wins? Pick Textero if you are a student or a researcher needing citations, and choose Neural if you are a marketer wanting persuasive copy. Neural Writer is a tune booster and it is good for sales pages. Hope you found this video helpful.